Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone SE 2020 second generation, iPhone SE 2, whatever you guys like to call it. I'm going to be calling it the iPhone SE 2020. So I ordered this like 2 weeks ago, around 2 weeks ago, the day of the launch, and there were some shipping problems, so I got it a couple days late. I got it 5 days late. So let's get on with it. Let's take the top part off. Oh, and the box is very similar to the iPhone 8 box because it is using the same chassis and everything. So we have some books in here. See if we have Apple stickers. Yes, we have some Apple stickers, and then the setup guide and everything else in there. Put that to the side. Okay, so we have the phone right here. I have the white model here, right here. There are three colors: white, black, and product red. So let's put this to the side. Okay, and then let's see what's in the box. 5-watt charger. The iPhone SE 2020 does support 18-watt fast charging, but it's not included in the box. That's pretty sad, but I guess I'm fine with it. Doesn't have the biggest battery anyways. That to the side, and then we have the earbuds right here. No headphone jack, so lightning. And then our charging cable right here, USB-A to lightning. I hope Apple switches to USB-C soon, because USB-C is the thing that's going on around now, the new trend. So let's put all this to the side. Okay, so let's look at the phone, the moment you guys been waiting for. Okay, so let's take this off. Okay, it's pretty satisfying right there. So first impressions about the phone, same as iPhone 8. Looks very similar, but it is a little whiter, which I prefer more, and the blacks are blacker, the reds are redder. Actually the red is a little brighter red, but it looks better. So same 12 megapixel camera, but with the new Apple A13 chip, now you can shoot videos 4K 60 FPS, which is pretty nice. So that's about it for this phone. Pretty nice. The only thing I don't like is this right here. As you can see, same iPhone 8 body. So it does look a little outdated, but that's okay. I'm fine. $400 price point right there. It's a pretty nice price. Nice move by Apple. So that's about it for this video. I'll be coming back to you guys talking about my impressions about this phone, and I'll be reviewing it. But I do need some time to use this phone so I can give you guys my thoughts. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.